Come along with us to spend a day at Top of the Rock in Ridgedale, Missouri. But first, we're going to stop for some lunch on the way at Lily Hobbs. Our favorite thing to do at Top of the Rock is the golf cart trail. We have been doing this for years and it just never gets old. The best part is driving into the cave and being surrounded by waterfalls. They even have a small bar inside where you can buy snacks and drinks.
How are you? Now Jack's done.
This beautiful bridge is another one of our favorite stops. We were so excited to see a cute groundhog and her baby this time on the trail.
They're showing us their booty.
Towards the end of the trail, you come to this beautiful view of the Ozark Mountains and Table Rock Lake. After the golf cart ride, we decided to go visit the museum. Their collection of Indian artifacts from this area is amazing, and since the museum is underground, you really feel like you've stepped back in time. After exiting the museum, we took a peek at the sinkhole and then headed towards the chapel to catch the sunset. We even caught the sunset cannon firing before heading up to dinner. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed our day at Top of the Rock.